Alright guys, another day, another video. Here we are again. A couple of you have been asking if I would pick the camera up when I do some Harley stuff, so here we are today. I have my 2020 Road Glide right here. This is by far the best bike I've ever owned on the street. It's super comfortable. It just allows you to go a lot further when you're this comfortable. I do have some Thrashin risers and bars on here, as well as a spacer plate to get the bars that far back. Thrashin floorboards, and just other than that, it's pretty much stock. Today, we're actually going up to Thrashin. I'm gonna be installing their passenger foot pegs because they didn't have these in stock last time I was up there. So my best friend Lance owns the company, so I get to kind of sift through his inventory and pick out what I like. So anyways, today going up to his place, Thrashin Supply. They make aftermarket Harley parts. My good buddy Mark Atkins, who runs Rusty Butcher, you guys probably know of him. Really cool dude, owns a leather company. He's a huge Harley guy too, so that's how this all kind of correlates. But the premise behind the video that we're shooting actually at Lance's today, this is kind of behind the scenes shot, but we're gonna be riding up to Lance's. Mark has a bone stock Road Glide just like mine, hasn't done any aftermarket stuff other than a pipe, I think. So the bars and everything make it a lot more comfortable and look a lot cooler. So we're gonna be riding up there, kind of installing everything really quickly because me and Lance have just done our installs on his bike. By the way, Lance has a CVO, it's really badass, I'll show you guys later. And then go for a little rip through the canyons, get some lunch. So kind of making what everyone thinks is kind of a big task into a small task, and then riding after to kind of display how cool and how comfortable it makes everybody when they install these parts. So anyways, we're gonna mount up in just a little bit, get this thing out of the garage. I absolutely love this bike. I'm gonna bring my GoPro along. Troy Lee Designs just painted me this rad helmet. They don't make a street bike helmet, but I went out and got one, and then they kind of took the branding off it, put in some very minimal designs and some pinstriping, as well as their logo, and then on the back here, included my name. So shout out to those guys, they do awesome work. Got my Thrashin gloves, those are my cold weather gloves, and then I have my regular gloves in my bag. Baggers are great because they have so much storage. 6-pack of beer in here for when you get to the destination or whatever. All right, bro, what we got going on today?
Well, you and Mark showed up, and we kind of halfway dialed your bike in. We still need pegs for your bike. So
Just rear pegs.
Yeah, just rear pegs. We're gonna do that. My bike's dialed. Rusty Butcher's bike is not dialed, so we're gonna do that.
So I have, what is a 6.5 inch straight or 6 inch straight?
I think it's a 6 inch straight.
6 inch straight, high bend, and you have a 6 pull back.
Yep.
With high bend too, right?
And now you tried it, and now you're jealous.
I know, I kind of like the way mine looks though straight.
But that doesn't look bad.
No, it doesn't look bad. It's a lot more comfortable too. I got floorboards, foot pegs. I'm gonna dial my bike in with these because I got the ghetto old school ones. I don't like those. Lance's dad's bike's sick too. Oh yeah, my FXR's here too. I go check that out real quick.
Got the fender painted black.
You ride it once and then
Yeah.
I've seen it on a bunch of lifts. Seems like a Fanhead story, but
I got the fender painted black and the sissy bar chrome.
It's so dusty. Can you guys wash this at least while it's here?
Why don't you come?
Why is my seat gone?
Rob, Cole wants to know why his seat's gone.
Got the bars, the risers. We'll get this thing going soon.
Don't do it. Oh, just a seat.
Hey, what year wheelbarrow is this?
He wants to know what a wheelbarrow is. Where did you get this wheelbarrow?
I mean, it's sick. It's a fast-ass wheelbarrow. All right, well, those guys were inside. I went ahead and installed these rear foot pegs. I think this is a P54 peg. You can run these on like the normal foot peg for like an FXR or a Dyna. Obviously with this you run a floorboard up front, but it's really nice to have these in the back because for the passenger it's a little bit more grip than the stock ones. And then also a lot of people like cruising down the highway like to throw their feet up, get a little bit of stretch going on, and it makes the overall look of the bike even cooler. So we'll go back inside and help these guys. So we're working on Mark's bike and I keep realizing all the stuff that I don't have. So I just installed the shifter tip. So I'm just gonna pull my bike in the garage and just work on it in there. You know what you're doing?
I actually was just threading it into the air.
Did you teach him how to do this?
There's instructions that you wrote on how to do this if you want to go ahead and follow those.
I'm actually doing a pretty good job.
Is this why you're retired? Because you guys can't work on your own bikes?
That's all I do now is work on my own bikes.
That's why they're all broken.
Only one of them is broken.
I like doing everything twice, so I really
I'm confused. If it's on, why are you taking it off?
Because I forgot to put the washer, the O-ring, and the nut.
We'll get there. Eventually.
I don't have to fancy this.
Ready?
What are you gonna do now?
Hopefully not fuck this up. Apparently I'm supposed to get the hacksaw. You said hacksaw, right?
Hack
Or sawzall.
I said no, we're gonna do a hack job.
With the sawzall.
No, the sawzall.
The soul.
Actually, Rob's gonna bring his skill saw over here.
Someone's got to have skills here. That's not
You guys should challenge yourself. See if you can do this with like a crescent wrench and a sawzall.
and duct tape.
Duct tape.
I'm gonna see how many bolts I can fit.
Are you gonna miss the wheelbarrow bars though? Looks
gonna
sick.
be on
You
each
should
end.
ride with this on all the time. This is sick.
Oh, that's pretty cool. I could put snacks right here. And like I could put photos of myself. Or
You could
like-
put your phone. You could slide your phone in here,
Yeah.
and
Definitely won't
then
fall
put
down.
your favorite movie on.
iPad.
Yeah.
On my adventure bike, I had a thing there, and I put a photo of David Hasselhoff in like board shorts. They're like, why do you have that? I'm like, it's my dad.
The board's done.
Button for that's not a button.
The CVO, like if you get my bike, it
I
has.
swear to God, if you drop CVO,
He's off before we go eat our In-N-Out.
You sure you don't want to take those off first?
I'm getting them off
You're gonna film me. I'm gonna film you. Hey, he didn't do my first mod.
now. Yeah.
Let's help our brother out here.
Does your radio still work if you take that off?
I don't know. I just listen to my phone. Look how much better that looks without that.
Yeah, we do good.
How come you got the Indian Challenger over a Road Glide?
Higher in the shoulder.
Yeah.
YouTube's a pain in the dick.
Google on YouTube, so the same.
Where's your beer?
Things
Where's your
that
beer?
you do for a website to get it higher.
Oh, there it is. It's hiding.
Warming it up. Okay, that's all of them, right? What is it?
Where's the cables?
You got everything where you want them.
Yeah, make sure the cables come on the sides.
Hold on.
We got lights. We got sound.
Oh yeah, that's right. Okay. Did you guys tighten these?
Yeah, those are tight. It's the bottom. You gotta go again.
Maybe it like seated since he's moving it.
Well, if you quit moving it, they would have stayed tight.
You quit touching the bars.
You get yourself that hard.
Yeah, doing that shit fucking hurt. Look at it.
seen it. It was kind of
So let me see it. A little bit. You can't really see it much.
I know it's tiny. Just like your dick.
Oh, thank you. Appreciate that. At least your
Edit
bars
that
are on.
out.
Yeah. How's the new setup? Way better, huh? I know. Seriously, I got mine off the lot and I could not wait to get it home and put the risers on.
The whole time we were riding over, my hand kept falling asleep.
So uncomfortable. Boys rapping out about the improvements on the bike. Just rode through the canyon to the coast. Me and Mark are gonna head south. Everyone else is going north. What?
Stay on there. I want to hear it.
All right, guys, I'm gonna wrap this thing up again in the garage where we always start and where we always end. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you for the support over the past few days. I'm trying to upload every day. Hopefully you guys like this Harley content. I know some of you are requesting it, and honestly, I ride a lot, so I might as well film. But anyways, Go check out the Sealy Speed Factory merch. It's all live right now. I have a new hoodie, new t-shirt, new pin, and the lanyard is on there now. I'm gonna try and update the site every month now. I kinda figured out how the swing of things go, so I can be more on top of things.